Hi, my name is Haikal. I'm in digital marketing and this is my home here in Bedok Reservoir. The inspiration for my home. Well, at first I thought it would be Japandi. I thought I would have loved to come home after a long day in a very sort of subdued, relaxing, contemplative, even meditative kind of home. But as I developed my mood board, I found myself more drawn into colors and objects and furnitures of all sorts of shapes and sizes with their own character. And when I pulled back, I was like, wow, I think I'm into all things eclectic. And it gave me joy. So I started embracing it wholly and not look back. And now I realize that whatever that I planned initially is very different from what I have now. It's very difficult for me to pick a favorite area, but if you did ask me, I would say it is my dining. This is where I host my loved ones, my friends and family, and we just have a ball of a time. So now that we work from home more than usual, I really appreciate the fact that I have a dedicated, sizable work or study area. And the best thing is that I can enjoy the view from here. And that's amazing for the visual breaks you need in between intense Zoom calls. So I find myself, even after moving in, still decorating the place. And I tell myself, well, actually, why not? Why stop when you move in? As long as you find joy in decorating and seeing your home in new light, then you should just continue and have fun with it.